Magandang hapon po ng Sunday, February 11, 2024. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 p.m. draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 5 p.m. result ngayong hapon ng Sunday, February 11, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 p.m. 3D Lotto 5 p.m. result ngayong hapon ng February 11, 2024 Sunday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 p.m. 'See you again later for 9 p.m. result of Ultra Lotto 658, Super Lotto 649, 3D Lotto and 2D Lotto for Sunday, February 11, 2024. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Ultra Lotto 658 is 114.5 million pesos and Super Lotto 649 jackpot price estimates is 53.5 million pesos for February 11, 2024 Sunday. Thank you for watching this 5 p.m. video for Sunday, February 11, 2024. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.